everyone, it is your girl Sanaa from So Crafty Sanaa, and I am back with my weekly expense cash out video. And you guys, this one is going to be a little different because we are going to be settling out my expenses using my payday budget book. Scratch the book, my payday budget Excel template. Okay, now I haven't given it a name yet, you guys, but we're going to be doing this. So I'm going to put on the screen right here where you can see all of my expense categories that I spent money on last week. As you can see by looking at this, I spent $93.66 in me money. I spent $197.88 in dining out, $91.89 in gas, $300.44 in groceries. And as you can see in the difference column, I went over budget, right? In a lot of these categories. Household, $20, spent $86, and then we look at medical slash health, $350.87. So that was a total spend of $1,121.23, you guys. Ooh, but I will say this. I am in the process of testing out this template. So yes, your girl fumbled big time, but I've been talking about the past couple months of budgeting for me have been rocky road, up and down, roller coaster, you name it. So your girl is getting back on track. And a lot of that is because I'm not in the book. I am testing out this Excel, so I have to use it, you guys, before I put it on the market. But when I tell you I'm raving about it, y'all know I don't play. When I come, right? And I designed this. Like, this is not some budget template I purchased and slapped my name on it. Oh, hell no. Okay? I slapped my name on it because I slapped everything in here. Okay? So it is a mirror to the Payday Budget book itself. And when I do this tutorial, we'll go through that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my wallet and my sinking funds, and I'm going to pull out as much money as I can. Why is Jenna Boo not on here? I didn't spend money on Jenna last week. So really quick, I'm going to slide over and I am going to look in. So here, payday spending expenses. This is, and I'm settling out everything I spent from October 30th because you know I budget week to week. So I am not going to include anything from November the 1st. So for the last week of October, this is everywhere I spent money. And I thought Jenna was on here. I swear I took Jenna to the vet, but I must have took her to the vet. Let me check. I must have taken her to the vet the week before, but that's okay. I forgot to pull her money out. But this is everywhere I spent money. Whole Foods, Target, Sunoco, Trader Joe's, Levan, which is a bakery, Penn Herbs. This is where I buy all my herbs and medicinals. Parking, Tip, Rite Aid, the dentist. Dope Botanicals is where I go to get my mushroom coffee. Knof Grill and Capitol Grill. My brother was in town and I took him out to eat, so that was unexpected. So nonetheless, that leads me to all of the money I spent. All right, let's get this money back, you guys. Let me put my microphone here. I'm trying out a new app that I can use my DJI mic. So, all right, so for me money, now this is the thing. You see how it says I have $61 in me money? So, did I give cash to somebody? Cash, me money. Yes, I did. So, cash was 20, 25. So, $45 in cash, and that's where the missing 45. But I overcompensated somehow. So, nonetheless, you guys, I have not figured out how to track where I'm taking this money from. So maybe I will create a bill expense cash out table here. Let's see. I'm doing a screen record. I can't. But I'm going to do a bill expense cash out table. So I am going to take that $61. I'm going to minus $61 from me money. Okay, I'm over budget. Dining out. What did I spend in dining out? Listen, I'm taking that $60. Y'all, I messed up. But let me get this money. So I spent $197.88, but that was an unexpected. So, you know, any overages, you guys, is going to come from my checking account. So do not worry. Car maintenance, I didn't spend anything. Gas, I have $75 in gas. Now, I'm over in gas. okay? Because I went to fill up my tank and it was $91.89, y'all. What the heck was happening? All right, so let's see. Food, I have 100, 200, 210, 220, 240, 242. So I have $242 in food, and I need a new expense tracker, so I'm gonna leave that there. Um, I'm over. I went over budget 100, and so okay, this is the thing, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Me money, I should give $6 back to, because me money I had. Hold on, I know what I did wrong. Me money, I had $106 and I spent $93. So this should have been 106. Oh, I can't change it. So that should be $12.34. So $12 needs to come back to me money. All right, let me fix that, and I'm gonna explain to you why I messed up. So I'm adding $12 back. Okay. So you know what I'm not accounting for, because I'm using the Excel, and what you can't see is, for me money, that's a credit card and that's a credit card. Okay. This is cash, so I took it out. So I technically did not need to put $93 back. I needed to pull out this. Um, so I can't highlight it. You guys, I have to figure out, I want to do, whenever it's cash, I want cash. I'm gonna make a highlight on the spreadsheet. So, all right. So that's the thing with me money. $12 goes back. Dining out was all card. Okay. So if we look, dining out was dining out. Why can I not use this Excel? Why is this not working? Is it recording? Oh, it is recording. Okay. Let me start the recording back again. Sorry. So dining out, let's see. So that's here. So this is a card. So that's a card, okay? So I need to be able to somehow, when this is used, I need to make sure that this populates in a different color. So I'll figure that out. So dining out was all card. Yes, no cash for dining out. Card maintenance, nothing. Gas was a card. Grocery was a card. Household, I only had $20 in household. So I'm going to take that $20 and I'm going to minus 20. Okay. Giving, I did give away all my money for giving. No, I did. But it's not on here because I gave it away in in November. Okay, so I have one more thing. Let's see what this is. Y'all, I'm trying to figure out how to how to do this expense video with the budget sheet. I'm trying. I am so trying. Alrighty, so let's see. Okay. All right, so let's see what we have here. And I do have to pull some money out for, I don't think I have anything in medical, but I'm going to check really fast, because medical is, where is medical? Medical is right here. Home maintenance, house clean, household. Oh, I have money in household. I need to wipe that out, because 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I need to wipe that out. I didn't realize I had money in household. So that's a plus. Minus 39, that gives me 0 there. Okay. And let's see what we have in medical, which I know I don't have really anything in medical. Medical is only $10. I'm not even going to touch it. So I'll leave that be. I do know that Jenna, I have to pull her money out, which I didn't do the week before. So sorry about that. Let's see. Jenna, I need a new expense tracker for her. So 100, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 245, 250, 255, 260, 61, 62, 63. Alrighty, so minus 263. Her vet bill was actually $262.14. So I literally was on the money. with her expense this past visit. So yes. Alrighty. So that is it for that. Now let's calculate this money again, you guys. Let's see what we have going. 5, 1, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100. Okay. So let's get this on here. Let's get the ones, the 5s, the 10s, the 100s, the 1, 5, 10, 20. Alrighty. So looks like we have a pretty penny. Now the crazy thing was on October 31st, I went ahead and paid my credit cards to zero because I wanted to start fresh for November. So this money will just go back into the bill account because that's where I pulled the payment from. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 500, 520, 540, 560, 580, 600, 620, 640, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690, 700, 710, 5, 710, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. $748 is going to go back to bank. So let's see. So we have plus $748 going back to bank, and this is card repays. And I'm just going to put the date that I'm doing this. Okay. So $748 is going back to my checking account because I already paid the bills. Alrighty. So the next thing I need to do, I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing for my first paycheck on November the 1st. I do need to get another expense tracker. I'm going to play with this Excel, you guys. You have it on the screen, but I'm going to play with this to figure out how to get those fields to highlight when it's cash. And then I want to give a table that will calculate the credit card payments or the card type, that the total. Oh, I'm about to hurry up and end this video so I can fix that. All right, you guys. Okay, y'all. So I just wanted to stop in because I figured it out. I figured out how to do the weekly expense cash summary. Take a look right here. I'm going to replace it on the screen. The weekly expense summary, and let's see. Okay, so I did the weekly expense cash out and the weekly expense summary table. So just after I did this video, I had to stop. I had to figure it out because y'all know I'm about my weekly expense cash outs. So here we go. It's going to be on every payday tab of the Payday Budget Book template. Oh my God. I'm loving this. Like, I figured it out. Like, so normally I go through and I add up what needs to go on each card, which I can do, but I'm not. I'll see you guys in another video. This video is quick, but nonetheless, I'm going to have to do a cash stuffing. So I needed to take this money out. Let me make sure I paid back all of my, so I did me money, I did dining out, I did gas, grocery, household, and I pulled, and that's why I'm going to, I am going to figure out how to add up that credit card payment. But nonetheless, groceries, household, and I didn't take anything for medical, so I'll pull the difference. So that is $121. $121.23 minus $748. So I have to pull $373.23 from my checking account to cover, which I already covered it, you guys, because I paid the credit cards on October 31st. I did not want to carry a balance into November 1st because I budget. I'm a monthly budgeter. I am a paycheck budgeter. I'm not always a zero-based budgeter, but I combine multiple different budget styles into one because that's what works for me and my personal finance. You guys need to do what works for you and your finance, okay? But if you need any help, if you have any questions, please let me know. And your girl will be front and center as always. Bye.